Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Nigel Triplett here at the ValleyBiz compound, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a Feeble Hard-180. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you guys want to see us do any more tricks in the future. All right, so first thing you want to do when trying a Feeble Hard-180, you want to find a ledge you're comfortable with, whether it be at a skate park or somewhere on the streets. Fortunately for us, we got a good ledge right here at the compound that's perfect for this trick. A couple other things you might want to be comfortable with before: feeble really well and 180 really well on flat. Also manual 180s to a certain extent, just so you get the kind of the carving out motion. Depending on where you're at, it would call for either an angled approach or a straight head-on approach or parallel. When you hop on, it's good to keep your front tire a little away from the ledge so you'll have room to carve. But make sure as you're grinding, you keep your wheel pointed straight, because where your front wheel is turned, your bike will follow. If you have your wheel pointed this way, your peg falls off, you're gonna die. So make sure as you're sliding, you keep your wheel pointed straight, and as you get to the end of the ledge, you're gonna wanna pull up and start turning and put your bars in your lap. Before you get to the end of the ledge, you should already be close to 90. And right when you get to the end, you're gonna use your hips, shoulders, and head to pull and turn. You're gonna land backwards. After that, cassette, push down, pull around, coaster, half cab, you know the deal. This has been the man that once was No Chain Nigel here at the ValleyBiz compound, teaching you how to do a Feeble Hard. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see other tricks you want to learn, drop a comment down below.